Learn 6 types of vegetables. Table of content. What are vegetables? 6 types of vegetables: flower, fruit, stem, leaf, root, seed. Conclusion. What are vegetables? Vegetables are parts of plants that are consumed by humans or other animals as food. The original meaning is still commonly used and is applied to plants collectively to refer to all edible plant matter, including flowers, fruits, stems, leaves, roots, and seeds. 6 types of vegetables: flower, leaf, root, seed, fruit, stem. Flower. Flower vegetables are edible parts of flowering plants. These vegetables are typically the unopened buds or blossoms of the plant and are known for their vibrant colors and unique flavors. Examples of flower vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, artichokes, and squash blossoms. Example: cabbage and broccoli. Fruit. Example: eggplant and tomatoes. Fruit vegetables, also known as fruiting vegetables, are the mature ovaries of flowering plants that contain seeds. While they are technically fruits botanically, they are considered vegetables in culinary terms due to their savory rather than sweet flavor profiles. Stem vegetables are the edible parts of plants that grow above the ground, usually consisting of stems and shoots. These vegetables are tender and often have a mild flavor. They can be used in various culinary applications, including stir-fries, salads, and side dishes. Examples of stem vegetables include asparagus, celery, and bamboo shoots. Example: bamboo shoot and asparagus. Leaf. Leaf vegetables refer to the edible leaves of various plants. They are rich in essential nutrients, particularly vitamins and minerals. These vegetables can be consumed raw or cooked and are often used in salads, soups, and stir-fries. Examples of leaf vegetables include spinach, kale, lettuce, and Swiss chard. Example: leek and spinach. Root. Root vegetables are the underground parts of plants that store nutrients and energy. They are usually high in carbohydrates and various minerals. Root vegetables come in various shapes, sizes, and colors and are often used in stews, roasts, and mashed dishes. Examples of root vegetables include carrots, beets, potatoes, turnips, and radishes. Example: carrot and radish. Seed. Seed vegetables are the edible seeds of plants that are commonly consumed as part of a healthy diet. These vegetables are often rich in protein, healthy fats, and dietary fiber. Some seed vegetables are used in cooking, while others are eaten raw or as snack options. Examples of seed vegetables include peas, corn, beans, and lentils. Example: peas and soya bean. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.